Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all one of my favorite dishes to make when I'm looking for something really quick, and that's for a curry shrimp with hops. So let's jump straight into this recipe. Let me show you how easy this one is to make, and it's super quick to put together. To your cleaned and washed shrimp, we're going to season with salt. You put the amount of salt that you are accustomed using in your diet. In goes some complete seasoning, some fish seasoning, and lemon pepper. Now we're going to go in with our green seasoning, minced garlic, chopped scallions, chopped tomatoes, chopped pimento peppers, chopped onions. Now season with a little bit of black pepper and go ahead and give this a mix, and once mixed in properly you're going to marinate for about 15 minutes. Next, just set it aside, let it marinate. In the meantime, let's put up our pot, and to the pot we're going to put that up on a medium heat and add in our oil. We're going to add in a mild curry powder because we're looking for a mild curry flavor. And we're going to toast this for about 20 to 40 seconds until the curry feels grainy. Once the curry feels grainy, then we'll go in with some water to help it cook. So add in your water and give it a mix. You'll allow this to cook until the water evaporates, the curry thickens into a paste, and the oils start separating from the curry. That's your indication that the curry is ready for the protein. So once it looks like this, now we're going to go in with our seasoned shrimp. We're going to toss that in that curry. And we're not adding any additional liquid to help this cook. We're just going to let that cook on a medium-high heat until the shrimp turns pink, it forms a C shape, and then it will be ready. So in less than 5 minutes, the shrimp will cook. Depending on the size of shrimp that you cook also will depend on the time. Smaller will take less time, bigger shrimp will take a little longer time. You want to taste and adjust your salt at this point, and now this is ready to be served. I love serving it on hops bread or brioche buns. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Give it a try, let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me. Do remember to stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.